Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I really do appreciate you all for stopping by and I hope you are doing great. Today's recipe is heavenly amazing, okay? It's I can't even describe it. Guys, this soup is everything. You will love it. And I hope you don't just watch it, but try this recipe, okay? We are making chicken and turkey soup. And let's get to the kitchen and start making it so fast. I can't wait any longer. We have our carrots, some garden eggs, scotch bonnet pepper, and some butter beans. We are going to allow this to cook till it's tender, okay? And then we blend it. But whilst it's cooking, let's get to the chicken and turkey and prepare it, okay? The chicken is already washed with some lemon, salt, and is good. We are going to also add some fresh turkey and some smoked turkey, okay? But we are going to first steam the chicken since it's a bit harder than the turkey. That's why you can see that it's already in the saucepan. It's so washed and clean. So later on, we will add our turkey because I don't want it to start mashing in the soup. So guys, it's now time to blend our essential aromatic ingredients. They are the ginger, the garlic, and the onion. These are so basic and they are necessary to start the base of every soup and stew. So you're going to make sure you blend it so smoothly and nice. Yes, so now that our chicken is already steaming, we are adding some tomato puree. And now we are also adding our blended aromatic essential ingredients. We're going to add our seasonings and then some salt to taste. Okay, so you can add any seasoning of your choice. Any seasoning of your choice. But make sure at least you add some chicken seasoning to this soup or to this steaming process. It will allow your soup, to get to that level that you want it to be. Our carrots, garden eggs, and pepper are ready, but we will leave that aside and focus on the tomatoes. We're going to blend the tomatoes and add it to the steaming process. The steaming process is everything, guys. I can smell the ginger, I can smell the seasoning that I've just added. I mean, the chicken seasoning is so amazing. We are now adding our fresh turkey and our smoked turkey. As I said, I didn't need to put that in the first place because it will mash in the soup. So it's time to do that, and I've just done that. We are going to blend our tomatoes and add it to the soup for it to continue to steam. Our goal is to allow the seasonings, the veggies, everything in there to penetrate into our turkey and our chicken so that when you bite the chicken or the turkey, you're going to have an amazing taste in your mouth. Yes, so guys, we are still steaming our chicken and our turkey, but let's come and blend our vegetables. This is the butter beans. Usually we will take away the skin or throw away the skin. But today, since we are using blender, what's the point throwing away the skin? There is no point because we are not going to use our earthenware, which will make us so tired. So since we are using blender, we are not taking away any skin. We are blending our veggies so nice and smooth. Usually back in Ghana, you take away the skin because it was a whole job for us. But since we are using blender, what's the point? It's always good to blend it so nice and smooth. And you can see that it's so nice, so smooth. We need the skin, guys. We need it. We don't need to throw away the skin. So yes, we are now adding it to the steaming process, and we are leaving it for some 5 minutes to continue to steam, because we need the taste, the flavor to penetrate into our chicken and our turkey. We need that. We need all the aroma, the flavor to all come together and penetrate. You want the chicken and the turkey to absorb all the flavor. So let's keep steaming it, okay? Even though we want our turkey and our chicken to absorb the flavor, we should also make sure that we check on it every minute, every second, so that we don't overcook our chicken. Okay, that's very important. Or else, by the time you realize your chicken is all mashed, your turkey is all mashed. You make sure, even though you want it to be, to taste nice and all, we should also focus on it in order not to overcook it. So keep checking it from time to time. So now you've added some water because I think the steaming is okay. So now we are going to measure our soup. We're going to add water to the level that we desire. And let's check the thickness. Now let's check the thickness of the soup. It's so thick, right? It's yeah, it's thick. So it depends on how you want your soup. Thick, in between, or very runny or runny. It depends. Some people want their soup thick, some want it in between, and some want it watery or runny. So I want it in between. And I think this is also thick. So I'll keep adding some water, yes. And I will leave it for about 10 minutes. And yeah, the soup should be ready by then. It's now trying to boil. It's trying to boil. So yes, can you see the soup? It's trying to boil. Yes, now we are seeing the boiling process. Oh my god. So who wants some? Who wants some? Oh my god. I've added some pop of colors. And yes, so if you're like me and you want more spiciness in the soup, just put some pepper in the soup, because not everybody wants the pepper to be blended. They can't take it. So you just do this. You just put some in the soup for you. Okay? And that's what I've just done. It's amazing. The soup is so amazing. The aroma is so heavily in my house. Heaven just came down, guys. Heaven came down. My house is, oh my god. Oh my god. I'm so much impressed, and I'm going to be making this type of soup going forward. I love it. I love it. Oh my god. Guys, don't just watch the video. Try this recipe. Just let me know. Let me know how much you enjoyed it. You will love it. Please, if you are new, subscribe for more appetizing recipes. Don't forget to click on the notification bell to be notified whenever I upload new videos. Recommend this channel to friends and families. Oh my god, you are missing out. You are missing out a lot. If you have been subscribed already, you are missing out. You are really missing out, okay? So don't do this time around. Join the family and enjoy my recipes. I love you, and keep safe. Until I see you all again in my next video, stay blessed and eat healthy food. Bye bye. See you again soon. Mwah. Love you.